Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another simple tutorial video here. And today I'm going to show you how you can uninstall your Python from your PC. So without any delay, let's start the video. First of all, go to your search button here. Now on the search button, type control panel, click that option, and here you can see program and install a program. Just click that install a program option, and now scroll down, you can see Python and Python launcher. First of all, click here and now click this install option and click yes. And as you can see, my installation process has started. It will take a few seconds, just wait a little bit. As you can see, install was successful. Just click close here, and now also install this Python launcher. Just click here and also install here. Just click here, yes, and it will remove your Python launcher also. And after doing these two things, restart your PC, and your Python will forever be deleted from your PC. So this is the video. I hope this video helps you. If this video helps you, consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you guys on the next one.